إذا ما قال لي ربي أما استحييت تعصيني وتخفي الذنب عن خلقي وبالعصيان تأتيني فكيف أجيب.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله حمدا كثيرا صلى الله عليه وآله وصحبه وسلم وبعد. Today our topic will be about the Maqtu one. Okay, so as we studied in previous videos that what was the Marfu and the Mawquf, so it's the third one about the Maqtu. Okay, what is a Hadith Maqtu? So in this video you will know that what will be the Hadith Maqtu. Okay, so here I write the definition of Maqtu. Maqtu mean the dictionary definition of Maqtu is very simple. When we break the chain, as I write in Arabic definition, وَمَا إِنْتَهَا إِلَى التَّابِعِ يُقَالُ لَهُ الْمَقْطُعُ. Okay, the hadith chain or the sanad of hadith, you all know that one is matan, the another is a sanad. So we are talking about the sanad. Okay, in the sanad, when the sanad breaks on Tabi'i, so we will call that this hadith will be the Maqtu, or this sanad will be the Maqtu. وَمَا إِنْتَهَا إِلَى التَّابِعِ يُقَالُ لَهُ الْمَقْطُعُ. Okay, very simple, very easy. So these are our basic three definition. One is Marfu, one is Mawquf, and the third one is Maqtu one. Okay, so here is the Maqtu one. Okay, so for example, like here a scholar narrates a hadith from his teacher, and his teacher from here this is going on, and it reaches to an Tabi'i. Okay, when the sanad stop on Tabi'i, so we can call that this sanad is the Maqtu one. Okay, so after the Tabi'i says that I saw a Sahabi, okay, or I listen from Sahabi. Okay, so this sanad will be the Maqtu one. Okay, very easy, inshallah. Inshallah, we hope from Allah you will remember it that وَمَا إِنْتَهَا إِلَى التَّابِعِ يُقَالُ لَهُ الْمَقْطُعُ. So this definition is very easy for you people, inshallah. Okay, so the Maqtu one, the third type of the hadith, it's very simple. Okay, so Maqtu, it's about the Tabi'i, where the sanad stop on Tabi'i, so it will call the Maqtu one. Okay, so it's enough for today. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum.